Hi boys and girls, today in math we are going to repeat something from one problem to help us solve another problem. So we're going to start off by watching our math video.
How many frogs do you see?
So boys and girls, count the frogs.
Emily uses counters to count the frogs. How many frogs are there? There are 3. How many frogs would there be with one more frog? Is there a shortcut you can use to find out? There is a shortcut. You already counted 3 frogs. The 3 repeats. The 3 frogs are the same as in the beginning, so you don't need to count 1, 2, 3 again. You can repeat the 3 and count 1 more. So, how many frogs is 1 more than 3 frogs? 4 frogs. Good job.
All right, boys and girls, so we are going to continue to do that in our math books. And we're doing topic 4-6. You're going to look at the fish bowl. There are 7 fish in a bowl. Emily puts 1 more fish in the bowl. How many fish are in the bowl now? And how can you solve this problem? So you're going to solve that. You're going to write the number of how many fish, and you're going to show how you solved and talk about how you solved it. Then you're going to turn the page, boys and girls. So we talked about in the video, boys and girls, how there were 3 frogs. If we add 1 more, is there a shortcut to find out how many frogs there are? Instead of recounting 1, 2, 3, 4, we can count on from 3. So we can go 3, 4. So we repeat 3 and then say 1 more is 4. So there are 4 frogs. Now you're going to do the same thing down here, boys and girls. Carlos sees 4 frogs at the pond. Then he sees 1 more. How many frogs are there now? Then you're going to turn the page. Alex sees frogs at the pond. Then he sees 1 more. How many frogs are there now? So boys and girls, for each problem, Alex sees frogs. For each problem, he sees 1 more. 1 more frog hops along and joins the group of frogs. How many frogs are there now? You're gonna do your best problem solving to find out what the number is that's 1 greater than the number of frogs that's here. And you're gonna draw counters to show your answer, and then you're going to write the number. Here, boys and girls, listen carefully. Marta's family has 5 pets. Then her family gets 1 more. How many pets do they have now? So you're going to solve the problem. Marta's family has 5 pets. Then her family gets 1 more. How many pets do they have now? Then think about, boys and girls, does something repeat in the problem? How does that help? What tool can you use to help solve the problem? Use the tool to find the number of pets in Marta's family now. And the last question to think about, boys and girls, should the answer be greater than or less than 5? All right, and then the last page, boys and girls. you can show one more than the group of butterflies using counters. So you're going to use reasoning to find the number that is one greater than the number of butterflies shown. You're going to draw counters to show your answer and then write the number. Okay? So in each problem, you're going to show one greater than the number of butterflies or spiders shown, and then write the number to tell how many. You're going to use counters to show how many there are total. Okay? And that is it. That's your math for today.